Hello everyone! So, I'm going to show you how I make my own homemade wet wipes. Usually I'd use a kettle, but I don't really want to buy one just before the move, so just more stuff that I need to put in storage. So, I'm just going to boil some tap water the old-fashioned way. The other things that you will need is an airtight container. I got this just at a store, and it came it was displayed next to this to show that this fits into it. And this is basically gauze, like compressing thing that you put on wounds and you use in hospitals and stuff like that. So that works just as well. And this isn't. So it's basically just like this, and it's pretty big. And you can use this more than once. I will basically wash these and reuse them until they are unusable, unless if I'm using it to, clean up something disgusting. So yeah, I will also just rewash the regular wipes that I buy, but this is like, airtight, and it has this thing. I mean, it's still, you can still open it like this, but it's not the best quality, but it works. And the only other thing that you will need is baby shampoo. I'm gonna wait until the water boils, and then I will be right back. Okay, the water is boiling. You can use purified water, but it's just expensive and non-essential. I don't know if you are, where you are. I've heard there's a thing called hard water, which I don't really understand, but apparently it's like a bad thing. So then you might want purified water. I just boil tap water and just pour it into a bowl, because it's easier to clean the bowl than the pot. Add like a tablespoon or a teaspoon, I don't know, just something of baby shampoo, and stir that around a little bit. I do the same thing for my face, but then I use cotton rounds instead of gauze. But just put this in right here, maybe add a little more, because this will get more compressed once it's wet. And this is pretty hot, but I'm gonna start by just, you can't see that, just ladling it on, because I don't want to burn my fingers. And now I can start just pouring it on. Okay. There was some spillage because I'm a klutz, but you can just kind of push into it a little bit. And as you can see, like, the bottom is pretty dry, but it will, seep through. So just close it up, let it cool, and you're ready to go. Homemade wet wipes. Bye.